We are doing a tribute of the movie to see what is highly rated and what's not highly rated.
Everything that's a fish.
Okay, and we're going to start off with judging Beyonce's movie, Obsession. What did you obsess?
I ain't like that movie, girl. She needs, I don't know, your turn. And then on top of that, her legs wasn't even like spaghetti. You see the way she did the splits and fell down, got back up. And she got beat up by that white girl all through the movie. So snap, snap, up, down, left, right. Hey, that. Went to two black eyes. Next.
Okay, I want to know why y'all hair always busted.
My hair, girl, first of all, do you see all them dance moves I be doing? And then you take trips in the back of the trunk, come from the back of the trunk to the back of the seat, beat formation and just, woo, you got it.
And why do y'all say hated it?
Because we don't like nothing. It got something to do with man, we love it. And beat formation.
What about dance flick?
Ooh, dance flick. I like that part when that man was dancing. He was doing that move like this. He was he turned around. You know, you need to stop. You know, y'all get me all out of style. You know, I can't. Every time I see that, I just get convulsions. I know it. See, look at me. I'm sweating already. Why don't you messing up my mascara? Got to fix my teeth on, child. That's good. Yeah, it's good. Hey, do the cabbage patch. Sure. Next question. Now.
What was the other movie?
Next question.
What was the movie that y'all like? Y'all like Samuel L. Jackson movie?
What Samuel L. Jackson movie?
Snakes on Plane. Yeah, Snakes on Plane.
Oh, I love to have that python. You see the way he was flipping around the street, came down the aisle like he was. Ooh, I thought I was right there. I was about to just stand there and say. That deserves a high five. I love it. With a deformation and a thing. Ooh, it's getting hot in here.
Okay.
Woo! Let's go.
Yeah. All right, that was our show for this evening. That was our show for this evening. Enjoyed, you guys. Have a nice evening.
And I love y'all. See you.
Can we get a part 2 of the dancing?
Which one? The splits? Play the song and I can get down.
He's so ordinary.
You look like Mr. Florida.
I guess it's the bloopers.
Now why my name gotta be Florida? Florida is the name of a state. A state. She couldn't give me a better name. What about two bugs? Two bugs in a pole. Now that would have been good. But she don't name me Florida. What type of Florida is this?
Is it on power?
Me don't do no Florida. That's my head.
Push input.
Oh, I got an input. And it ain't gonna be the one you like.
Turn it up.
Put that on your head.
Cause you know they love RGDs. RGs and 2 and 2 3. That's why I love all the way. All the way. Yeah.